Hey, I know everybody says you shouldn't care about what other people think, and I've told you that before. You don't want to waste your energy on that. But I do think, however, you can work on yourself to be a better person, to be more friendly, to do things to ensure you're doing everything in your power so people do like you. And trust me, none of this will change who you actually are. And it's super simple hacks that you can do to get people to like you instantly and make more friends. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. The first hack you can do is something very simple I like doing all the time, and it's asking for advice. You see, people love the feeling of being needed or wanted. And you asking somebody for advice will instantly make them feel smart about themselves, which consequently makes them feel good, and guess who they're linking that good feeling to? You, because you caused it. You just made them feel important, which made them feel good, and now they just like you a little bit more. Number two, you want to smell good. Because think about it, when you like somebody, you just find it pleasurable to be around them. Better yet, you want to be around them. And the human body is so well connected across all senses that our olfactory sense is often ignored, yet it's so important. Think about it, when you eat foods or trying something new, every time you smell it, it just enhances the experience. It's no different when you're meeting people. And it's so important for us because, well, it's such an easy hack and requires zero effort. All you gotta do is make sure you apply a sexy fragrance that makes you smell good. Every morning, I love applying my Scentbird fragrance, and then I can leave my house being confident in the fact that anybody I meet, I'll leave a lasting impression on them. Because more than just applying any fragrance, you wanna make sure you apply one that's specific to the certain occasion you'll be at. And this is exactly what makes Scentbird so awesome. Each full-size bottle of a quality fragrance could be anywhere from 60 to 120 bucks. With Scentbird, you only pay 15 bucks a month, and they send you a substantial amount every single month that, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't even finish in 1 month. I never end up using the whole thing, which is amazing because then I can just build the whole collection out of these and be prepared for any type of situation. So, if you guys wanna check out Scentbird and start smelling great to get people to like you instantly, there's gonna be a link down below. Like I said, it's super affordable as it is already, 15 bucks, but there's also a discount code that, well, it's pretty much gonna be dirt cheap considering you're getting quality name brand fragrances like Gucci, YSL, Mercedes, all the big name brands you see, Scentbird has. If you guys wanna check them out and see their whole lineup, there's gonna be a link down below. Number three, you want to dress to impress. You see, boys, just like your olfactory sense, another sense that's gonna affect how they like you is their sight. And I'm gonna argue that this right here, this is the most important one because people, they make judgments on you within half a second of seeing you. That's right, you got less than, that's it. You already made an impression. That fast. You got less than half a second to make sure somebody likes you. And it's no different than your olfactory sense. You also, just like you want a scent for a certain situation, you want to dress for the right situation. You're not gonna wear the same thing you wear to a date, to the office, to school, and to hang out with friends. In every situation, you would use clothes to project a different message and make sure that group of people like you as soon as they see you and are not saying something like, what the hell is that guy wearing? Because instantly, they already don't like you or have a bad impression of you. Which is why I think every guy should build a wardrobe on basics to be ready for everything. And to do so, you want to build a list. Because obviously clothes can get expensive, but if you have an organized list, every time you have money, you can always go to that list and just buy what you need to start building that solid wardrobe. So to do this, first, you want to download that free app called ShopTagger, which I've told you over 1,000 times to download already because, well, one, it's free, and two, it's a powerful tool to build your style. It's gonna be linked down below, and it takes a few seconds to download and set it up to your computer, but the cool thing with this app is that it's gonna allow you to create these lists that I'm talking about. So once you download the app, all you wanna do is go through that list of essentials, go online, and start tagging that one good suit, that one good pair of jeans that you want, those sneakers that you want, that loafer that you want. What's gonna happen is it's all gonna concise it into one list. Now this list, now that the holidays are coming, you can actually share it with your parents, with your friends, with your family, so people can actually buy what's exactly on your list and you get what you want this year. But the cool part with ShopTagger is that when any of those items decide to go on sale or they're restocked, you get an email notification letting you know that a certain item is on sale, giving you the best time possible to buy that item and actually save money on it. And it's free. So what are you waiting for? So if you guys want to download ShopTagger, there's going to be a link down below. That way you can build your closet and look good all the time. The fourth thing you're going to want to start doing is complimenting people.
Hey Thomas, you look like a stud today, bro.
Thank you.
Everyone who's anyone loves compliments and just hearing something good about themselves. Whether it's how great their style is, how great their hair looks, how good looking they are, how capable or smart they are. Yet so many people keep their compliments to themselves because A, they either don't like building other people up, or B, they're too shy to do so. So, I'm gonna challenge you to do something before I end this video. Tomorrow, work towards giving at least one person a compliment, whether it's a stranger or someone you see every day. And do this every day for at least a week. What you're gonna notice is that 1, you're gonna see how much better you're gonna feel about yourself. And 2, how nice people are gonna be towards you and how they're gonna instantly like you. And finally, number 5, before I end this video, like I said originally, always be yourself. None of these tips were ever meant to change who you actually are. You never wanna change for somebody because at that point you're being fake and it's just exhausting. You should never care about what other people think, but you should always be the best version of yourself and the nicest guy you could be to make sure people like you and you make more friends. Moral of the story, be yourself, be a great guy, and just watch how everybody's gonna love you. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. That's it for me today. See you next time.